Tita Je. Hindi ang sobrang sila. Walang magawa sa pera.
Pagkagaling sa beach.
Pagkagaling sa beach ng aking mga bisita, massage chair, nagmamassage chair, and then, watching in our new flat TV. Look, it's very new. Flat TV. 40 inches. Sony Bravia D-Series. And this girl is very tired of swimming in the beach. Look at Tita Je. Look at Tita Je, Isa. Come on. Isa, come on. Say hi to Tita Je.
Ang corny.
Come on.
Hello, pagod na ako eh.
Wala ka pa sa lubo kay Tita Je. Sige na.
Ako?
Oo.
Ay, ano?
Wala ka pa sa lubo. Sige.
Ay, gano'n.
Okay.
Wala na.
Oh, Tita Je, how are you?
Kaje, padala uli.
And this boy pala. The birthday boy. This is the rich boy. That's all? Oh, B-boy, what are you doing there?
I'm fine, thank you.
This is lasalista pala to. Nilipat lang daw ng mama niya at papa niya. Pinatransfer sa national. Kasi,
Ano ako nag-eat out.
and look at the girl enjoying the massage.
Love it.
Enjoying the massage. And then tomorrow morning, she will play golf there at her back. Look. Baby, while the massage is going on, greet Tita Je. Come on.
Hi, hello. Sarap magpamassage.
Mamaya upload natin to sa Ayan. Wow. Upload natin to mamaya. And look at her muscles. Look.
Organic stuff.
Hindi, iba lang motion niya.
Okay, sige, try mo pero mag-iingat ka. Kung ikaw ang caretaker ng kabayo, tapos may isang sumakay na isang customer, alam mo syempre na safe siya. Kaya ampante ka.
And that boy coming out from the room. Look, who's that? Who's that boy? Come on, greet Tita Je. Cam, say hello.
Hello.
Oh, very tired of the swimming. Very tired. Nag-swimming kasi, hindi ako magpapakita ang mukha. Nag-swimming kasi kami sa Laia, Batangas. Birthday ni Car. Yun. This is the birthday boy. The handsome birthday boy. The rich boy from Llamas. Yan. Napulikat na ang mata sa pag-swimming. Tignan mo, oh. Diba? Sarap buhay ng aking mga bisita dito. Tired na tired. Look. And then after we watch TV, and then this girl finish her massages and cleaning her feet, we will go to the room na and with aircon, and we will open our Friendster. Okay, say bye. Bye. Bye, B-boy. Tita Je. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Je.